Good morning. Tuesday, June 2nd. As far as work goes today, I'm going to give you a very short video, some explanations from some of the previous problems that I assigned on Monday. For questions 24 and 25 on page 200, that first one there, that C2H4OH2, you should be able to go to reference table R, find the functional group OH, right? Or actually, I lied. You should go still reference table R, but you're looking up the group. So the name that you've been given, 1,2-ethane diol, ends in OL. So you're going to go to the last column there, which gives the examples and the names, and find one that has a similar ending. We go down to the one that has OL. Those are alcohols. But the one in the question says diol, D-I-O-L. That actually means two OH groups. So diol is two OH groups. It's ethane, okay, so there's two carbons. So two carbons and two OH groups, there's only one choice that has that, and that would have been choice 1. That's 1,2-ethane diol. Because we drew it out structurally, there'd be an OH on each one. Question number 25, it says, look for 1,1-dibromopropane. 1,1-dibromopropane is obviously propane, so we need 3 carbons. Prop was 3. You get that reference table P. So reference table P tells you prop is 3 carbons. And then it says bromo. Bromo, you go to reference table R, and you find bromo. It's actually one of the first ones that pop up. It's in the, I forget if it says halocarbons or halides on that table, but it's one of the first ones, and then it gives you a listing of the names, and it says Br is bromo, right? So that's 2 bromines, and then it's dibromo, right? So there's 2 of them, and they're on the same one because the numbers there are 1, 1. If it was 1, 2, there'd be 1 on the first, 1 on the second. 1, 1 means they're both on the first. So the answer for that one would have been choice 4. Skipping over to 28. Right, in 28, that is a normal chain. Here's why that's a normal chain. I know it looks like it's zigzagged and you got this one thing stretching out, but it's still a straight chain because there's no what they refer to as tertiary carbons. Okay, so if I can just show you a structure here. Okay. Okay. That's a straight chain. Because, let me turn this one light here. That'll improve the lighting a little bit. That's what we refer to as a straight chain. There are no branches in that chain. We have primary carbons or terminal carbons, first degree carbons, however you like to refer to them. These end the chain, and all the other carbons are secondary. Secondary carbon has 2 other carbons attached. So it's secondary, secondary, secondary. We won't get a branched chain until we have 3 carbons on one carbon, a tertiary carbon in existence. So if I put this here, this now becomes a branch chain because this C has 1, 2, 3 other C's attached. So this portion through here is the normal portion, a normal chain. This is a branch chain. It's no longer branched. I can put it here. That's a branched chain. Okay, because this carbon has 1, 2, 3 other carbons attached to this one. That's what makes a branch. Okay, I'm taking this off. So this would be a normal chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons long. This is normal heptane. Okay, N-heptane. So the answer to number 28. You have 5 carbons in that chain. Okay. And it's a straight chain, so the answer is 4, normal pentane. I'm going to draw one of the ones, 29 to 33. Okay. And, or maybe I'll do like 2 of them. I don't think I need to do all of them because it's the stress of it is kind of minimal. But I will do 2. I'll do 29 and 30. Okay. And if you really don't get any others, you can always ask at some other time. We'll be Zooming on Thursday as usual. All right. So for 29, it says 3-methylpentane. So pentane is the main chain name. So I'm going to draw that pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Since it's A and E, single bonds between them. And then it says 3-methyl. That means on the 3rd carbon, okay, 1, 2, 3, there's a 1-carbon group, a methyl. And then we can put our hydrogens on it. And this is 3-methylpentane, which is an isomer of hexane. I'm going to show you something. Look. 1, 2, 3. I'm starting with the hydrogens here. Starting with this one. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 hydrogens. H, 14. And this is pentane, 5, and 1 more is 6. Oops, I wrote 6 instead of C. C6H14. This is a 2N plus 2. Right? Now, watch this. Right? I don't know where I got better room to draw it. I'm just going to draw it right up above. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bond them. You use carbon skeletons. So I'm not drawing the H's. It saves space. Makes it easier. Like each place that I have just a little line is a hydrogen. But if you start drawing hydrogens in all these structures, it gets clustered and cluttered. So we just draw little lines to represent where the hydrogens are. I'm going to start with this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Still C6H14. Branch chain isomers of a hydrocarbon are going to belong to the same homologous series, have the same numbers of hydrogens and carbons. Their structures are different. They behave differently. That's what makes them isomers. Okay. If you continue to look through the next page, 201, 202, 203, I asked you to read those through yesterday. It gives you the other functional groups. It's a matter of matching. Okay. What I think I'm going to have you do, I'll probably assign it. I know I don't usually assign Wednesdays. Maybe I'll just write the assignment down because we're not supposed, like Thursday's supposed to be student work day. What I want to do in Thursday Zoom is review questions 34 to 46 and maybe start to intro reactions. It depends how long that takes in the Zoom class. So I'll see, but I'm definitely going to review 34 to 46. So I guess I'll type that into the Edmodo where I put the link for this lesson. And that'll be Thursday's Zoom class. And if there are any questions on the ones prior, page 201, I think it was. Yeah, the other ones on 201, which I didn't address. If you went over them, it's like, oh my God, I really didn't understand that. He gave me the answer and explained, but it wasn't clear enough. You can ask then, okay? Because we'll have a class on Thursday. And then it's just organic reactions. And your final test. Oh, I think I'm going to give you the next CASEL Learning at the end of the week on these types of problems the types of problems that we're going to be Zooming on Thursday will be Friday's CASEL Learning. Okay. All right, then. Remember, there was another Castle Learning assigned last week. I haven't checked it yet. I'm hoping most of you have done it. There'll be another one this week. If you have any questions, write them down, give them to me on Thursday. Have a great day, folks. Bye bye.